This plane right here was made by Fisher-Price and is licensed to 2009. It has a feature which I will show you later on, and it's intended to be used by little kids. Its stickers have come off a little bit. The hatch does open. There's a little bit of rust. If you can see there, it says 2009 Mattel Incorporated. It has 3 wheels that pop up, as well as chainsaws that move forward. It also has another feature to spin when you push this button. And its wheels do spin, so you can roll it on any surface. I will be selling it on eBay with the link right here. Three wheels which pop up. As well as chainsaws that move forward. A feature to spin when you pull this button. When you push this button. And its wheels do spin, so you can roll it on any surface.